Natural history collections archive the diversity and distribution of organisms on our planet. They are equivalent to species libraries, where we study the physical forms of plants and animals and the evolutionary relationships among them. Scientists have been collecting and depositing organisms in natural history museums for over 200 years.
This period of time happens to coincide with the most intense human population growth, urban and agricultural expansion, and human-caused climate change in the history of the world. The combination of widespread habitat loss and climate change severely threatens biodiversity in many regions. Rising temperatures are expected to continue causing the distributions of plants and animals to shift north and to higher elevations, while habitat fragmentation prevents many species from migrating to suitable areas.
An incredible opportunity now exists for scientists to study the response of organisms to the drastic habitat changes that have occurred over the past century, using museum specimens. Each specimen is associated with information on where and when it was collected. So for well-collected species, we can look at distribution over different time periods. Scientists are increasingly taking advantage of this opportunity by studying changes in plant and animal distribution using natural history collections.
Unfortunately, information on museum specimens, such as collection location and date, usually is not accessible. In fact, most museums don't have searchable databases at all. So researchers interested in this information must visit the individual museums, locate the specific taxa of interest, search through specimen drawers, and record information from specimen labels to get the information. This process could very well take years. Natural history museums are addressing this issue by digitizing data for millions of specimens and publishing it online. However, entering label information for such large numbers of specimens is incredibly time and resource intensive, and we need help if we're ever to complete the task.